Rebecca here again for another video. Last time we talked about troubleshooting tips for Siemens Sensation CT. Today I'm back with Kevin and he's going to be talking about installation kits and how it's going to make your life a lot easier.
A great item that is available to you is an install kit where you use the CT table to help you install your heavy, hard to lift parts. Some of the main components of our install kit are right here. You have this table bracket which lays on top of your Sensation table at the head end. Next piece is your tube bracket where you would hook the strap assembly to. Finally, we have your strap. Today, for example, here we have a Stratton Z Tube. I'm going to demonstrate how this goes under the table and is used to install. A key component to this is how the tube crate assembly comes with this wheeled base. Now you can slide the tube assembly right under the table. Once you have the tube assembly in place, you can now manually move your CT table over the tube. At this point, we're ready to attach the strap. Now that I have the tube assembly wheeled in place, one important key is to make sure your gantry is locked into place. The locking mechanism is up here on the top right of the gantry. Now when we have our plate here, we can install the strap to the hook assembly. Now that we have this in place, we can put our table assembly into service. With the table assembly in service mode, this allows us to drive the table up and down to help us lift heavy devices without any power to the gantry. This kit that is offered can also be used to install other parts such as HV tanks, E-boxes, and other tube assemblies.
Join us next time as we talk about preventative maintenance on systems and the kits that we offer here at Technical Prospects. Subscribe, like us on Facebook, and we'll see you next time.